everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share an incredibly tasty side dish for breakfast. We are making Veg Paya. Now this pairs beautifully with any tiffin item, so let's get started and check it out. For more tasty breakfast recipes, please check out the link at the end of the video. So for this recipe, first we're going to grind a masala paste. To the mixer jar, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, about 7 whole cashew nuts, and 1 cup of chopped fresh coconut pieces. You can also add grated coconut. So first I'm going to add without grinding any water. Add the required amount of water and grind it to a nice fine paste. So tell me, what is your favorite partner for Veg Paya? Is it Appam, idiyappam, parotta, chapathi, idli or dosa? Let me know in the comment section. So we're going to make this in the pressure cooker. First I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add the whole spices, cinnamon, clove, cardamom, star anise, bay leaf and stone flower. I'm just going to lightly roast it till it releases a nice aroma. Now add 2 large onions thinly sliced. Next add about 4 green chilies slit. After about a minute, I'm adding 2 large potatoes cut into large pieces. Saute the potatoes for about 2 minutes. Next add 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well till it's all well combined. Now I'm going to add the ground masala paste. Keeping the flame on low, cook the masala paste for about 5 minutes. So this is what is going to give you all that beautiful flavor that goes into the dish. After 5 minutes, I'm adding 1 cup of water. Just mix everything well. So now we don't want the tomatoes to get mushy. So I'm adding the tomatoes at this point. This is 1 large tomato chopped into large pieces. Next add a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves and a handful of fresh mint leaves. It's going to enhance the flavors of the dish a lot more. Gently mix everything together. Before we close the pressure cooker, I'm going to add another cup of water. So we need a little bit of gravy here. Gently mix everything well. At this point, you can check for seasoning and add a bit of salt as required. Keep the flame on medium. Close the pressure cooker. Place the weight and pressure cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. After 2 whistles, turn off the stove. We'll open the pressure cooker after the pressure settles down. There you go, here is this absolutely delicious and flavorful Veg Paya. Look how thick and creamy it is. If the gravy is too thick, you can always add a bit of hot water and mix it. You can dilute it to get the right consistency. So today I am serving the Veg Paya with hot steaming idlis, but you can enjoy it with dosa, chapathi, poori, parotta, appam or idiyappam. Well, it's time to enjoy this Veg Paya with some nice spongy idlis. Yummy! Incredible flavors. I just love it. It's a nice change from the usual side dish that we have for idlis. Very, very tasty. Well, I absolutely enjoyed the flavors. So if you're bored with the usual side dish that you make for your breakfast, this is something that you must try. Everybody will absolutely love it. So do give it a try and share this recipe with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.